What you got? Is that good? Is that good? You have 3 pieces of chicken in your hands, baby girl. You have 3 pieces of chicken at one time in your hand. You're silly. How's your dinner?
Good.
It's good?
Yeah, I can see the lights.
Yeah. Do you like your new table and chairs?
Yeah.
It's just your size, isn't it? Kennedy, are you a big girl? Yeah, are you a big girl? Say bye, everybody.
I need a napkin.
What do we say? Say bye. Kennedy, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Okay, hold on. Say bye.